Everyone, welcome to Imperial Gardens triple break number 2 of 14-15 SP game used. Last game that ended the break was the Edmonton Oilers on April 28th at 6:57 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. And to our current day and time, it's currently Friday, April 29th at 12:35 a.m. Eastern Time. We are streaming live on Breakers TV here, and also for anybody that hasn't registered on our break page, you can register your account there. And we do have a little mixer for Saturday to do with all of our other breaks. That's ending on eBay tomorrow. Number 2. And our serial numbers tonight are 83070206795, 2284, and 1340. Okay, and bring us back down into our serial numbers. So that's the 6795, 2280, and 1340. Sorry. The shrink wraps that sealed, or I guess where the stickers are. See as much as we can there, and then obviously there's can't really open it from that side unless you force your way in. Okay, so here we go, everyone. 6795. Okay, so here we go. So we start the break off with a jersey card of Rocco Grimaldi, 232 of 499 for the Panthers. Got a Damian Severson. Sorry, I'm just gonna have to. Looks like the camera's tilted a bit. Hopefully that fixes it. Sorry, Damian Severson, number 50, 499. Going out to the New Jersey Devils. Next one is a SP Game Use jersey of Teuvo Teravainen, 207, 499 for the Blackhawks. And a Inked Sweaters of David Backes, number 21 of 99 for the St. Louis Blues. I have no idea why the serial number won't show up on it. Then we have a Stanley Cup Finals Materials net cord of Kyle Clifford going out to the LA Kings. That's number 15 of 25. Kyle Clifford. Box 2 is 2284. And go out to the Chicago Blackhawks. Start off with a SP Game Use rookie auto, Teuvo Teravainen. Go out to Chicago. And a pretty filthy Stadium Series patch of Marcus Kruger, 42 of 99. Too bad those are like just, it's not like it is like part of the patch, but it's not like an actual emblem type patch. It's like I don't know what exactly you would call that. Almost like a vinyl pressed or something like that on there. It's a nice hit. And third consecutive hits going out to Chicago. Brent Seabrook. Going out to Chicago. And a dual authentic fabrics of Kari Lettinen and Ed Belfour, both for the Dallas Stars. And a Stadium Series jersey of Matt Fradden, going out to the LA Kings. Slightly lopsided break so far for a couple teams here, especially Chicago and the Kings. 1340. That's box number 3. So here we go, guys. And this one we started off with a draft day marks for the Buffalo Sabres of Sam Reinhart, number 5 of 35, the letter H for Buffalo. And a game use stick of Jaromir Jagr, 19 of 50. 19 is the magical number when he'll be tied for number 2. NHL all-time points next year probably. And a SP Game Used jersey of Henrik Lundqvist for the Rangers. Authentic fabrics of JR, Mr. Jeremy Roenick for the Philadelphia Flyers. And finishing up the break with a Tuukka Rask jersey card for the Boston Bruins. There we have it. So I forgot, like, almost most of the big hits are in the front or in the back. So there we have it, guys. So tomorrow, I think we got the triple breaks again, and boxes 3 and 4 of Contours out of the case.